Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get blue tick on TikTok. So here you can just open the TikTok app. So now what to do, you will have to just go in the profile icon, and from the here you will see you will have to go in your account, and you must be switch to business account, and you will open a browser and you will just search it for verified tick. So from here we don't consider the number of followers or likes on an account when guaranteeing a verified badge. Some account requirements we consider for verification include active, your account must be logged into TikTok within the past 6 months, authenticate your account represents a real person, business or entity. So you will have to active all the time, and you must be present to use it. So you will get. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.